Hi everyone! In this video, we wanted to share 3 gift ideas for beginner gardeners. All of these are budget friendly, under $25. These might be great gift ideas for the gardeners in your life for any special occasion. The first one is this book that we picked up a couple of years ago when it first came out. It's the Field Guide to Urban Gardening by Kevin from Epic Gardening. And this is a great book for those folks who are limited on space like we are, and in particular who live in urban environments. And what we liked about it is that it really covers a broad range of different gardening methods, including container gardening, which we do a lot of, especially on the balcony in our apartment, raised bed gardening, which is something that we started implementing in our allotment garden. Vertical gardening, which is a method that anybody can benefit from, whether they live in an urban environment or whether they actually have a lot of space. Vertical gardening is a great way to utilize space and grow more plants. And then the indoor edibles section is also really, really interesting. And it's actually one of my favorites and something that I'd like to kind of rely on in the winter months when nothing else is growing. And then there's a section on balconies and rooftops and hydroponics. And so for me, my favorite right now and something that I'd like to start implementing is this mason jar herb garden method. It's a really cool idea. And so we've got lots of mason jars. And so we thought, why don't we try this out in the winter months and see how this goes. So I'm curious if any of you folks have tried out this method and if it worked for you growing herbs and greens indoors. The second gift idea is the most budget friendly of the 3. It really only costs about $5 on Amazon, and there's lots of these garden planners on Amazon in different sort of layouts, different colors, different designs. So there's a lot of choices there. And so this is something that we picked up to keep track of our garden plans in 2025 and really help us stay organized. And what I liked about this particular garden planner is that it has a lot of different sections and ways to keep track of the garden. So there's the yearly garden goals, which we like to set at the beginning of the year, seasonal checklist, which is really nice to kind of have for different seasons. And then Devin's favorite section was the garden layout pages section, where he can really focus on the garden design, which is his favorite thing to do in the garden. So we thought for the price, this actually brings a lot of value to really any gardener, beginner gardener or advanced gardener alike would probably benefit from having a tracker that kind of helps you stay organized and plan out the crop rotations and seasonal vegetables and fruits to plant through the year. And then the third and final gift idea is this gardening daily calendar. It's the Old Farmer's Almanac gardening calendar. We thought it was really cool because every day you get different advice. You get different folklore, different gardening secrets. So there's a lot of information here that we thought was really interesting. So this is really great for those folks who enjoy having a desk calendar. It's not only useful, but the art we thought was really nice. So this is something that folks who enjoy gardening and also enjoy having daily calendars on their desk might really appreciate. So as urban gardeners, Devin and I have really enjoyed these gifts, and we thought we would share with you folks and see if there's other gift suggestions that you may have for the gardeners in your life. It's always nice to share these tips and find budget-friendly options. So thank you so much for watching, and definitely let us know in the comments if you have any suggestions about good budget-friendly gift ideas for gardeners.